Now when I built my main rig way back in the ice ages of 2015, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 was pretty much the standard for CPU air coolers. And for the most part, things are still the same. But the good folks over at Artic have sent over their Esports One, and they're hoping to bring about the winds of change. For 30 bucks you can pick this unit up. Make sure you check the links down below. And the too long didn't read of this review is that, honestly, that's a major win. Spec wise, it's a tower cooler with a thermal coating that helps the heat dissipation. Now compared to its major competitor, you can definitely tell that this is different. It also comes with one of their Bionics fans, which you can get in a variety of colors. If you have a theme build and don't want to go RGB, this will fit perfectly for you. Right out of the box, this cooler is compatible with the new AM4 boards, so you can pair this with Ryzen. Now I actually swapped this into my main rig for the Hyper 212, but not before I tested it. And while I do have overclocking guides, I actually ran this at stock just to give you an idea of what to expect right out of the box. After an hour of idle CC4, the Hyper 212 hit temps of 68 degrees, while running the same test on the Esports One, maintained a cool 62 degrees Celsius. At first I thought it was because of old thermal paste, so I ran them again and I got the exact same results. Now it's not all just sunshine and cool temps. I do wish the fan connector system was a little bit better, or the fans themselves just snapped onto the cooler. Depending on your RAM clearance and the board situation, it can make it hard to install the fan after the fact. Overall for the price, I think this is one heck of an upgrade, and while neither one was loud, under full load the Bionics fan was almost silent. If you have a build you're planning, I definitely think you should get the Artic Freezer Esports One a look, especially with those links down below. And they're hoping to bring about the winds of change. You see what I did there? Fans, coolers, winds, change. Come on, man. I'm hilarious.